Hello friends, let's study now how is the operations relevant to my major. Accounting, as an auditor, you should understand the fundamentals of operations management. If the accountant doesn't understand the basics of operations management, then it becomes really very difficult for him to do accounting, because cost accounting, I think, is the part where the operational managers are concerned, to find out the different sheets for calculating the cost sheets, calculating the profit and loss statements of using the products, making cost cutting techniques, implanting that cost cutting techniques, all the accountants has to do. So it is very important for accountants to understand the operations management. As far as the information technology is considered, it is a tool. It's no better place to apply than that of the operations, because as far as the IT is concerned, supply chain, it has really made everything quite smooth, from purchasing the raw material. All the suppliers data is there, then the raw materials is being purchased, and it is being transformed. The step-by-step processes are there. All the processes are being helped with the help of computers, so the project manager understands what kind of process has been going on. All the HRMs are being related with the IT, and the finished goods is being placed, and the marketing people also linked with the IT department. By the IT, they are going to place the orders, and actually the finished goods are going to come out. See, all these factors are related to information technology, and they need to understand the operations management quite well, so that they'll be able to implement it. As far as the management is concerned, the processes like scheduling, lean production, theory of constraints, and tons of quality tools. This lean production techniques, Six Sigma technology, all these techniques for producing the mass production is possible due to this. These things are required for the management in order to so that they'll be able to perform well if they have this knowledge. So the management people need to have a good set of knowledge of this, so that they can produce a better result from this as possible. The operations economics is also required. As far as the Pareto analysis and the flowcharts are considered, the economics also comes as a part of operations management. They need to understand when the product need to come into the market, so that the pricing is low or high, and how the product can make more money, and how when to purchase the raw materials. Yeah, so that, for example, if you have the product of mango pulp, if you make, then it is very important to know the economics when the mango is going to be cheaper rate available in the market, so that after squeezing it, the pulp is to be created, and the juice can be made, and it can be sold into the market by packaging it. So all the economics of the market need to be understood by the operations manager also. And the marketing is also very important. How you can do a good job of marketing a product if you are unsure about the quality delivery. The marketing people need to go training by the operations manager. They need to understand how the product is made, what kind of quality checkups are being done, and what kind of techniques are being used while making the product, so that the marketing people will be able to explain very easily to the customers, and it will be easy for them to market that product, and they can provide a good quality feedbacks, to them, to the people in the operations management, so that it will be easy for them. For the finance also, the capital budgeting techniques, the firm operations, and the cost saving techniques can be used by the finance people. So this is nothing but the operations which are relevant to major, uh, as far as the operations is being considered. So we have seen the economics, marketing, and finance. So all this has been playing a very important role in the operations management. And in the next slide, we're going to see the evolution of operations and supply chain management.